Are you wondering what digital marketing tools can do for your business? Well, in this video, I'm going to be explaining exactly how you can use digital marketing tools to sell different products, services, and even software within your business. And I'm going to be explaining the specific tools and software that you're going to be needing for whichever marketing that you're trying to get done. And make sure you stick all the way to the end because I'm going to be dropping some bonus tips that you do not want to miss starting now. Now, digital marketing tools are basically different types of online software that's made to basically help different businesses sell different products, different softwares, different services more efficiently while giving them more freedom to be more creative as well. Now, digital tools can do a whole bunch of stuff, including helping you get more reach, helping you get a lot more engagement, and helps you convert target customers within your business. Now, there are digital marketing tools that are specifically made for things like SEO, which is search engine optimization, and tracking keywords and analytics. Some really good analytic and search engine tools that you can use within your business is Google Analytics, SEMrush, and Google Trends. They're basically there to help you figure out what's working in your business and what's not. Could the content that you're putting out with your business be considered evergreen content, or would it be considered viral content? Does it have the potential to be searched 5 years from now? Does it have the potential to be searched right now in 2022? All those things matter within your business when it comes to SEO, ranking, tracking different keywords, and analytics with these certain tools within your digital marketing. Now, if you're getting any type of value whatsoever, make sure you like this video down below. It helps YouTube tell me that I'm doing a good job within my content and shows it to a whole bunch of more people. So make sure you like the content if you're getting any value whatsoever. I appreciate it. Now, there are actually great tools out there that are specifically made for email marketing and email campaigns. Certain software like GetResponse or Aweber, it makes your business a whole lot easier to run when it comes to emailing out to your leads and your customers in certain sequences at certain times. It basically helps you automate your emails way more frequently, and it gets your target customers to know more frequently about your products and your offers. Using email tools like GetResponse and Aweber will save you so much time within your business, and email marketing is one of the main ways to get more sales and more engagement within your business. So definitely use tools like email tools in your business. Email marketing can help you get more brand awareness. It can help you sell a lot more products and software, and it can get you a lot more engagement where you can just tell different stories and just have your customers relate within your business more. Now, there are actually tools specifically made for social media campaigns and to help you schedule out your social media posts, whether it's on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or even YouTube. Different digital marketing tools like Hootsuite or Buffer will actually help you schedule out different posts within different days and different times, so you won't have to worry about knowing when and where to post your future content. It really just helps you organize future posts and get you ahead of your business if used the right and correct way. Comment down below if you think Hootsuite or Buffer would be a good digital marketing tool to use within your business, or if you think GetResponse or Aweber would be a good tool, social media email marketing tool to use within your business. I actually have a link down below for GetResponse. So if you want to use GetResponse for your email marketing, then the link is down below. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but digital marketing tools can actually help you accelerate your business, whether you sell online or offline. So depending on if you have your products online or offline, either way, digital marketing tools can actually help your business get more brand awareness and just get more engagement. Now, there's different tools specifically made for creating graphic designs, for different social media posts, and for even for different offline marketing. Some good digital marketing software and different marketing tools that I use are things like Canva and Photoshop. You can use canva.com to actually create different digital images and just different products to actually use within your business. Using tools like Canva and Photoshop makes it a whole lot easier and simple to create different graphics, collages, and even videos and presentations for your business. It gives you a whole lot more creativity when it comes to having more control within your business as well. It helps you brand better and use certain colors within your business. And it just overall helps you stand out within your business so you don't look like every other business. Now, there are actually different tools made for project management to actually help you brainstorm and strategize your content marketing. A project management tool like Trello will help tell you what's being worked on, who's working on what, and where something is in the process all in one system. It's basically like one big chart on one big calendar that's showing you what's being worked on. Now, different digital marketing tools that I mentioned before are useful for making businesses a whole lot easier to run. It makes it more fun to run and more profitable over time. Now, question of the day is, what's the best tool that you think will help your business in the long run? Comment down below, what do you think would be the best tool for your business? Now, speaking of digital marketing tools, I actually have a 3-day digital marketing masterclass training that you can download in the description right now. First link in the description. And it's only for people that are serious about building their business. Go ahead and check out that 3-day marketing masterclass training. It'll show you exactly how to market on Facebook, market on Instagram and YouTube, and how to sell your products, get more engagement, and 10x your business all in 3 days. And I'll be emailing you more and more tips and hacks on how to build your business as well. So make sure you check the link out. First link in the description. I'm also giving away free digital marketing tools for 14 days. Link is in the description as well. All you gotta do is put your name and email, and you can have both of them for completely free. Like and subscribe down below if you got any type of value whatsoever. And if you want to learn more about growing your business and learning how to market your business online with digital marketing, make sure you like and subscribe down below. Now, if you want to learn more about digital marketing and selling more products online and just 10xing your business, go ahead and check this video out right now. Click that video. You won't regret it. Stay blessed and prayed up. I'll talk to y'all in the next video.